From the More tab, tap Fasting. In this section, you can view your current fasts, scheduled fasts, fasting history, and fasting stats. To create and schedule a fast, tap New Fast. Name and schedule the fast for your needs, then tap Save. Scheduled fasts will start automatically on the diary screen. Tap the fasting banner on the diary to see details on your current fast. To quickly start a fast, tap the plus on the bottom of the screen and then tap New Fast. To stop a fast, tap the Stop Fast button and add your notes. The experience is similar on the desktop app. Click More, then Fasting in the menu on the left-hand side. The fasting widget can also be found on the dashboard.